Here we got a 1962 Mercedes SL180 convertible. Definitely did not see this car here before. Silver. It's a nice silver. It's like a pewter silver. I'm sure that's a leather interior tan. God, this looks so much newer than a 1962. It's amazing. This is like when Mercedes was. I knocked the brand new Mercedes cars in the last 10 years or so. But the Mercedes was super great back in the day. Like, this is the deal. You'd be better off buying a brand new one of these than a brand new Mercedes. This is sweet. Plus you can shift it yourself. Wow. Looks great with the white walls on it too. I mean, the whole car. I mean, wheels don't make the car, but it's another nice touch. The white walls. Man, this thing is sweet. Guess it's a clock in the glove compartment or something. Yeah. Look how they did that. You notice you got controls for the vent on the passenger side and the passenger side over there, the driver's side. It's a nice touch. All the instrumentation is right where you can see it. The steering wheel is, I mean, it's out of your way, but not adjustable, but it's way out of your way because it's like the column doesn't stick way the hell out. You see? So you got a lot of room in here. You got a full trunk and you got space behind the seat. So sweet.